Alright, so in this problem we are going to use the fact that these two triangles are similar and use that to find a missing variable. I'll give you some time. Go ahead and read it. If you need to, pause the video right now so you can read the problem. Once you're ready, what you're going to do is that this problem is saying that this hockey puck passed by this player, right? When the hockey puck comes in, it comes in at a certain angle, and then the hockey puck bounces off the wall at the same angle. So we have these two angles that are congruent. And we also have these two angles that are congruent, right? So we have two angles, right? We have angle, angle. So we know that the triangles are similar because of the angle similarity postulate. Okay. Now that we know that the triangles are similar, we can set up a ratio. So this length down here, length BC, corresponds to length CE. So I'm going to set up a ratio for those two lengths. Say 40 over 28. And similarly, this length corresponds to this length. This length over here is 25, so I'm going to write 25 there. And this length over here is x, so I'm going to write x. So now I have my two ratios, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to set them equal to each other, the two ratios. And now I'm going to cross multiply to solve for x. So if I cross multiply that, I'm going to get 40x over here. And then I'm going to multiply that. And I will get 700 when I multiply 28 times 25. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 40. Right? 40 goes away. You get x equal. And 700 divided by 40, I used my calculator for this, and I got 17.5. So that means that x is equal to 17.5.